guys, Mike with A&M here. Today we're going to be doing another estimate video. So if you haven't seen the other estimate videos, basically I show you the property and we give the customer a price. If you guys take a guess in the comments of how much you think I should charge, then I'll tell you guys what we actually charge the customer. And then if we do get the job, we'll come back and do a video. So let's go check it out. All right guys, so off the bat, they got a crap ton of toilets, emphasis on the crap, but I don't know why you need 5 toilets, but we'll pick up. Actually, yeah, there is 5. There's the other one. But yeah, let's look at the house first. There's a bathtub, so your whole kitchen remodel right here. They must have remodeled and just threw it out in their backyard. There's some stuff underneath the house there. Here's a TV that looks like it got thrown off. Some little stuff up there. I don't think we're going inside the house. Over there you can see there is a blue sofa. And then now let's look back here. Yeah, now this looks like a burn pile with linoleum and just a bunch of crap. So I don't know if he's gonna want that burn pile to go too. That's pretty much just solid dirt, so that'll be another story. But some trash here. You can see there's about 4 tires over there. I mean, I wouldn't recommend ever burning that stuff, but we are kind of in the middle of nowhere in South Carolina. And out here you got some kind of platform or something, a door, and more miscellaneous crap there. Then let's check out inside here. Looks like a nice little hangout spot. Nothing back there, luckily. But they want everything cleaned out of this building. Why am I a stupid? Okay, I'll have to blank that out. That was some cuss words. But yeah, we're gonna clean out everything inside there. Then there's even more stuff out here. Some more tires and stuff back there. Really curious to see what's inside this, but I don't know if we'll be able to get inside of it. But yeah, guys, don't forget to comment how much you think it would cost to clean up all this stuff. I'm hoping I can back my trailer back here. It's gonna be pretty tight though, but just back it up right through there. We'll have to get this stuff first, then go in at an angle. But now we're gonna go over here, and this looks like more roofing shingles, plastic shingles. This does look like it's open. Hello? Hello? There's a ton of stuff in here. Looks like a bed and a bunch of miscellaneous trash. Ugh. Oh my god, it smells so terrible. Ugh. Okay, we're getting out of there. So the customer didn't specify about inside there or inside the house, but it's an older gentleman and I think he was renting this or something. So I'm gonna first just give him a price for all the outside. But yeah, there's quite a bit of stuff, and inside there it's like pure mold. There was a bed and stuff in there. I mean, it would be a kind of cool house. I don't know how they even got that semi thing back here, but kind of interesting situation. So let me give the customer a call, and if we get the job, I'll let you guys know. If we end up going inside the house or inside the trailer a little bit more, I'll do another video so you guys can guess how much we charge for something like that as well. But as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification button, and if you have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comments. See you guys next time.